Looking at the house where you grew up, nothing much changed, like frozen in time. Thinking of the choice that you have made, said that all you're wrong, ending up alone. And I know your life it wasn't easy, you never had a lot. You give it to your children. Oh, you never selfish, you never let us down, and you sacrifice yourself just so we would have a home. Turn the page in the book you wrote, pictures of your life, faces I don't know, memories that never fade away, like it was today and not so long ago. You should know how I wish that you were here now, hoping that you somehow could have had a better life. And I really only told you, yeah, I know I could have told you how thankful I am. You were the one give me life. Mother, I will make my life worth living. Mother, I will do it all for you. Mother, I know we won't be together, but I'll make it up to you.